Welcome to another wonderful tutorial from Tech Tutorial Center. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your flash drive bootable by doing one or two steps. And the purpose of this video is you want to download Ubuntu desktop and replace it with your current operating system. Let's say you have Mac and you don't like your Mac, or you have Windows and you don't like it. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to ubuntu.com/download. Then you click on download, then you download the operating system. I have it downloaded already, so I'm not going to download it again. The next thing you want to do, the next step, is to go to this website, balena.io. Then you click on product. All right, then you navigate all the way down to flash, SD cards, and USB. Click on it, download. Once you download it, I already have it downloaded on my computer, so I'm not going to do that again. Then once you have everything downloaded, the first thing you want to do is connect your external flash drive, the flash drive you want to flash. I have the flash drive on my computer already. So what I will do is I will open the application. This application, which is Balena. All right. Then you click on flash from file. Once you click on it, then I have it saved somewhere in my documents. I click over here, and then I will select this Ubuntu, because that's what I want to. I have the OS already. You click on open. Once you click on open, it will tell you to select your target. Then it will be my flash drive. Sometimes automatically it's selected for you. Then you click on it, then select, then click on flash. So this might take. So you need to create a password, enter your computer password, not your own password. All right, click OK, then give it a few seconds and it will start running. I think it takes about you can see the estimated time, 13 minutes or 12 minutes. It depends, it might run faster. And once that is complete, that's it, you're done. And you can, I'll put this link in the description below, so you can also follow this tutorial so you can install the OS on your computer. All right, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.